Hey guys, Carlos Colon, Georgia Permanent Homes. Welcome to the Peach House. So this is another property that we are working on. This is going to be a flip project. This will be for sale. And we are working top to bottom on this one. And you can already kind of get a feeling for it. Clearly, this used to be a church. It's always been zoned residential, which is a bonus for us. It's got a new roof, new HVAC already, but this is a full top to bottom job. By the time we get done with this is gonna be brand new everything. And then it's gonna be a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. I don't know if you can hear it, but there are roosters in this neighborhood. It's the most adorable thing in the world. So very quaint town. Again, Thomaston, Georgia, but original hardwood floors are gonna stay, and we'll have 12-foot ceilings throughout. We're gonna have a huge custom master bedroom and master suite. It's gonna have a mudroom pantry, brand new cabinets, brand new countertops. It's gonna be, I mean, absolutely gorgeous. So on this project, you can tell that we've got the red brick. This is a 4-sided brick property. We're gonna whitewash or paint. Give us your preference on that. It's hard to tell from the pictures, but these doors are 8 foot tall. 8 feet tall. And you know, part of the problem with that is 8-foot doors are really difficult to find, much less the width that these are, because this is 8 by 8. And so that's very uncommon to get a 4-foot door that's 8 feet tall. So we have purchased doors for this property, and then they're gonna have to be framed in or glassed in on the sides, and possibly a little bit on the top in order to get them to fit the right way, the way that we need them to fit, and to get this done. So it's gonna be gorgeous. Our goal here on this property, on the Peach House, is gonna be to do an updated farmhouse style. And so it's gonna be the very super white, super kind of white, black grays, with all new everything, and kind of a nice industrial feel. We're thinking like some exposed black HVAC vents that are running through to some of the bedrooms. This is definitely a passion project for us, and I'm really looking forward to it. So check out down below, post your ideas and share them with us, because this is going to take us a long time to get this one done, and we're going to take our sweet time with it because we're going to sell it to the right person. So check it out. Again, this is the Peach House. All right, you guys, we'll catch up in a few weeks. Take care.